Okay, now we're recording. So this is the drawer jig that I made. So this is for mounting drawer fronts to drawer boxes. So this one's a 3DB that we're going to show you real quick. So, all right, Teddy's the man. Go for it, Teddy. This is Teddy. All right, Teddy. So anyway, so you put in your drawer front. Then your drawer box goes up against those stopper blocks. Go to the other side real quick. Pilot hole, pop in your screws. Pull the box out, flip it around. Pilot hole for your rear screws. And that's it. One drawer box down.
Top one?
Yeah, do a top one. So that was the bottom drawer.
Yeah.
So that's mounting a drawer front to a drawer box. You don't have to measure anything. You don't have to do anything. Just use the jig that I made and that's it. So now this one, you put in a spacer. It's 1/2-inch spacer. And this is for doing a top drawer on any base cabinet. You can do this on the design series as well. So make sure the drawer is in there properly. Drill your pilot holes.
Do this on the white base one. You want to do this on the white base? This is the white base, and that's why I made the hole.
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah. Elmer was just pointing out that you countersink your drill hole, your pilot hole on an angle. Because if you put your screws straight through, it'll pop through the front of the drawer front.
For white base only.
So there you go. Drawer front's mounted.
Slide it in.
So anyways, you do all three. And that's it. Where's your other one that you did already?
I didn't do the other one yet.
Yeah, you did. The 3 drawer.
Oh,
It's over here.
yeah, it's already.
Hold on a second. Do this. So anyways, you can see how fast it is to put on the drawer fronts to the drawer box. And it measures everything and aligns everything up so you don't have to do anything. And that's it. So 3DBs or base cabinets, doesn't matter. We can make them all line up perfect every single time.